You've heard as above, so below, but it's more than a poetic phrase. It's a blueprint of reality, a sacred mirror between the vast cosmos and your innermost self. The same patterns that govern the stars also shape your cells. This is a metaphor. It's physics, biology, spirit, and symmetry woven into one. Your brain mirrors the structure of the universe. Your lungs branch like trees. Your veins resemble rivers. Your iris looks like a nebula. Your heartbeat echoes planetary rhythms. Your DNA spirals like galaxies. Your synapses flash like lightning storms. A tree's rings resemble the growth layers in your teeth. The moon's phases match your hormonal cycles. Ocean tides reflect your emotions. The Fibonacci sequence shapes sunflowers and fingerprints. The Milky Way mirrors the pattern of whirlpools. Atoms orbit like miniature solar systems. Now zoom in. Your thoughts spark emotions. Emotions influence actions. Actions shape habits. Habits mold your reality. Your breath changes your chemistry. Your posture shifts your mood. Your environment reflects your mindset. Your words cast spells. Your focus fuels manifestation. Your choices echo across time. Now zoom out. Your energy contributes to the collective field. Your habits become culture. Your pain becomes projection. Your healing becomes a lighthouse. Cities pulse like neurons. Social media acts like a hive mind. Protests erupt like emotional releases. Architecture mimics sacred geometry. Economies flow like ecosystems. History moves in cycles. Civilizations rise and fall like tides of consciousness. And behind it all is the same truth. What happens within reflects without. If you want peace in the world, regulate your nervous system. If you want love, begin with dissolving your inner judgments. If you want clarity, clear your breath. You're not separate from the universe. You are the universe, expressing itself in human form. A vessel of stardust, encoded with sacred math, a living scripture in motion. So the next time you hear as above, so below, don't just repeat it, realize it. You're not just in the pattern, you are the pattern. Reflected, repeated, reborn. Humanfluence, out.